Hi friends, this video shows which power adapter we can use to charge iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. This is the original iPhone uh, Apple adapter. This is a Realme adapter, and this is MI, and this one is Oppo. This is Motorola, and this is OnePlus power adapter, and the last one, this is Vivo. See, this is the original Apple adapter. See. So let me check the output voltage and current. Output voltage 5 volt 2.4 ampere, 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2.2 ampere. So I need to find another adapter which matches this output voltage and current range. First let me check this Oppo adapter because this is a good one which we can use with iPhone, because here you can see the output voltage and current. It says 5 volt 2 ampere. It's not varying. Output voltage and current is not varying. So we can use this adapter with iPhone. Next I am going to check this OnePlus adapter. So I have selected this OnePlus adapter because this OnePlus adapter is not suitable to charge iPhone. I will tell you why. So here you can see the output voltage and current. See, it says 5 volt 2 ampere, 5 to 11 volt 5 ampere. That means output voltage and current varying. I think this is a fast charger. Output voltage is going above 9 voltage. Output current also going above 3 ampere. So we should not use this type of adapter with iPhone. So this way we can set suitable adapter for charging iPhone if you don't have original Apple adapter. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.